birthday to Mommy? Okay, hold on. Ayan guys, so happy birthday daw kay Mommy. Surprise naman si Mommy. Ang ganda. Ha? Nice. Thank you. Kami kuya. Thank you guys. Very nice message from Sharon and Kevin. Thank you. Gising pa din ako talaga. Oh, nakalagay pa. Oh, happy birthday. Thank you guys. Thank you Kevin. Thank you Cheryl. Surprise na naman ako sa aking mga junakis. Ayan, binilan ako ng earpads from Apple kasi nagreklamo ako dun sa earpads ko guys kasi nawala ko na, tatlo na yung nawala ko, puro na lang walang pares. So ayan, mas maganda pa na binilhan ako ng ganyan nga, this hindi ito mawawala from Apple. Wow, thank you so much guys. Tapos maganda yung message nito: to Mommy, happy birthday. Thank you for everything you have done for us. We are so grateful for your love and support. We love you so much. Aww, love, Kevin and Cheryl. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, guys. Love you. Love you both. So, ito na yun. Silang nagbukas sa akin. Kasi nagreklamo ako na yung kettle namin is ano na, luma na ba? So, ayan. And it's not glass nga naman. So, ito, binilan ako ng glass talaga siya, oh. Ayan. So, thank you, thank you. So, ayan siya, oh. Kuzori. Ayan, guys.